My name is Nicotra. I'm a research instructor at the University of Pittsburgh, where I work in the Starzl Transplant Institute. We do transplant immunology using mouse models, and we also do some comparative immunology using a invertabrate model for hista compatibility, and that animal is related to corals and jellyfish and sea anemones. Before using eCAT, I would keep all of my data for experiments in various places. I had my paper notebook at the bench with my written notes and gel images and other pieces of data, or printouts taped in various places. And then on my computer, I'd have folders for every experiment with Excel spreadsheets and data files and digital images and other notes. And even trying to keep that as organized as I could, it was really a challenge to go back, a month later or so, and try to remember how all those pieces of data related to each other. So I'd open a folder and try to figure out, well, which Excel spreadsheet had the data I wanted. How does that image, where exactly did that image come from? When did I take it? Using eCAT has really helped with keeping all that stuff organized, because I can have one page with all of my notes on an experiment. Imported into that are my digital images. I can link to Excel spreadsheets. I can link to other experiments. I can link to data files, and it's all right there. I don't have to spend any time figuring out where everything is. I use eCAT probably 5 to 6 times a day, if not more, to upload data images and keep track of my experiments, write notes, plan experiments for the future. And the thing I like best about eCAT is that it was very simple to use. I basically I looked at some other electronic lab notebooks, and they were a little bit complicated or sort of overly designed. eCAT has a very simple interface. It's very flexible, so I can go in and just immediately just start writing my lab notebook the way I used to with a paper lab notebook. And if I want to, I can make templates for different types of experiments, PCR experiments, flow cytometry data, those sorts of things. But it's simple. I don't have to spend a lot of time figuring it out. And I can get to it anywhere. So if I'm home or if I'm in the lab or somewhere else, I can get to my data at any time. And perhaps the most important thing is that it's on the web. I don't have to spend any time doing the IT support of having an electronic lab notebook. It's available on the web. They update it when they come out with new updates to the software, and it's backed up. So I don't have to worry about data disappearing, or heaven forbid there's a fire in our lab. The data is somewhere else, which is really a comfort.